Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and the Moose is loose back at you with another episode. So Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. And yeah, we're just pumping out content right now, left and right, up and down, front and center. Let's do it. So with that being said, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's the one thing that you can do to help out the channel. And if you want to join as well, I know we have members only videos that we're producing as well. So if you want, to be a part of the exclusive live streams, you could do that as well. So what we're going to do is talk about Cornucopias. You guys, as you guys may know, that's a AAA level MMO game, and I've been bullish for a long time. It's been a few weeks at least since I put out content around Copi, but I've never been more bullish. We're going to get into some of the reasons why, and we're going to play around with some assets and whatnot. So here's the channel as well. If you guys want, you can check out our Cardano mini course. That's the link right here on the channel. And we also have a link in the description below. So check that out if you want as well. So Cornucopias, this is the website, cornucopias.io. It looks amazing, built in Unreal Engine 5. And as you can see there, the racing game footage, and the racing game is coming out soon. So we have that and more to share with you. Right now I'm on JPEG Store, and this is what I'm talking about. You're seeing some whale activity for the Copi assets. So if we take a look here on JPEG Store, if you type in Copi, you're going to see all these different assets. Now, the one I'm very bullish on are the bubble jets. I've been doing a lot of content around this, and I own quite a few. So the floor is starting to go up, and for good reason. The game's coming out soon, and they're starting out with the racing game. That's going to allow the team to assess the racing game and then implement their findings toward the other areas of the game. So the racing game is a great way for them to start. It's Toledo Valley. That's the area. And yeah, it's very exciting. It's been a long time coming. I've been investing and following this project for a while, and I still have all my NFTs. So I'll even pop that up here for you guys. So for those of you that are new to the channel, I actually just picked up a little more ADA. So we're running with about 12,000 tokens on this particular wallet. It is the Thai.ADA or Red Cape. So $ Red Cape, that is my wallet. So if you want to see what I'm currently investing into, it gives you a little insight. Again, do not take that as financial advice. It's just what I'm doing. That's what the channel is all about. Documentation here. So I still got my 50,000 tokens. I'm leveraging it with the Dega stake pool. So for those of you that are delegating to the Dega 1 ISPO, they have a partnership with Cornucopia. So if you have, I believe it's 1,600 Copi in your wallet, then you get that 5% bonus at the end of the delegation period. So that's definitely really cool. So I have tons of bubble jets, and I'm very bullish on the Raceworks NFT. So that's what I want to go into as well. So as this game is getting closer to launch, the racing game, it's supposed to be coming out this month. I don't even have a PC. I'm not even going to play unless it gets very intriguing to me. I'm here as an investor and educator. So like for example, if these bubble jets hit 1,000 ADA, I'm going to liquidate quite a few of them. And I'm going to make 10,000 ADA profit on them if it goes the way I think. So if we type in Copi, I love their assets. There's some assets that I will mention right now that I'm not even looking to sell at all because I'm bullish long term, at least for the next 4 to 5 years. If you look at the Raceworks NFT, this has been climbing. The floor, the mint day, the floor was about 260, plummeted down to under 200. So for those of you that pick some up, congratulations. I minted a couple of these, so I picked up 3. Yeah, and they're doing good. The floor's going up, so I'm happy I picked up another one when I did. So that's really good. This is the fastest vehicle in the game. So it is the Valley Raceworks T3 2023. You can pick up a common for 284. That's the floor. and it looks good. It looks really nice. So on the website, if you guys haven't done it already, you can set up a player account. And if you haven't done that, well, since I'm Crypto Moose, I did a video for you. So COPI leak, you can check out this video, how to prepare. So right here, it is the COPI Valley Raceworks T3 NFT. I teach you how to prepare. So when the next sale comes out, you can get yourself educated on that. And I also set up an account. So I'm thinking that I have a video of that as well. Player account. I think it's under player account. So again, we have a full library for you. There you go. Register your player account. So how to register a Cornucopias player account. I teach you step by step in this video. So if you haven't set up an account, I recommend checking out that video, and you have some pretty good insight there for you. So that's what we're looking at right now. So if you see here, I've got Charles Hoskinson, Crypto Moose. So if I go to my game assets, you can see that my wallet's connected based on, I don't know what it's based on. I don't know if it's based on my public address. I'm trying to be careful so I don't show any keys, or you know what I mean. But if you take a look, this is my wallet. I really like that. Display videos on. That looks awesome. The one thing I like a lot about Cornucopias is the level of detail that they have. They've meticulously crafted a beautiful game. Something that I think about when it comes to the best metaverse project, it's Cornucopias. I've been saying it since day one. COPI is it. COPI is where it's at. Way better than Sandbox, every other project. COPI is my low cap gem. So these are my bubble jets. I should pick up another one. I'm probably going to pick one up right now, actually. When I get done the episode, I just got to get to my Trezor here. So I got these different assets. Not financial advice, but personally, my goal, I'd like to have 5 Raceworks NFTs. So I believe you will be able to rent them out and acquire more gas or COPI tokens. So that's worth it to me. This project, this should be at $1. COPI token, it should be at $1. And then, of course, the bubble jets. I love the bubble jets. Nothing's more classic feeling than that. Like, I love it. I love it. I just imagine, like, it reminds me of a diner, from back in the day. I love it. I love it. I love everything about COPI. Okay, so check out the website. They're doing a lot of great development. Let me pull up the Twitter. So Twitter, COPI. Let's find this for you. So by the way, guys, comment down below if you're enjoying this video, what else you would like to see here on the channel. Check out the COPI cafes to keep up to date with Rob and Josh's content. Also, he's doing a good job too, right? I forget his name, but he's doing a good job. So follow Cornucopia's game. I forget, it's not Twitter, it's X, right? Or Twitter X, whatever you want to call it. X.com actually takes you to Twitter. So if you check out on Cornucopia's game, there's a lot happening. There's a lot happening. And even under the link tree, this is a great way as well. So get in the Discord, keep up to date. I've been putting in that daily as well. So maybe we'll even pop up the Discord if I can. Let me find it. I got a lot going on right now with this. So right now I'm in the COPI Discord. And if you go under general, you can engage, ask questions. The big one is the announcements and the tokens. So one thing you can do as well is you can go to the daily corn claim. And I'm going to do that at the bottom here. And I've already done it, but what I can do is do daily. And then I can do, I think it's coins or claim. Yeah, coins. Something like that. So I can see how many coins I have. So all you do is you put /daily and you get like a daily amount. So I have 2,500 corn. So if you put /daily, you will earn your daily rewards. And you also get a streak. So it's something I do. It takes like 1 second. It doesn't take very long. But there's a lot going on in the spotlight. It's really cool. So you can keep up to date with these videos. Definitely, this guy's doing a good job. I'm trying to think of the name of him. Maybe we'll see this video up in the Discord as well. Sometimes I get in there as well. So, yeah, that's basically it, guys. Check out the Linktree / cornucopias.game. And really, at the end of the day, their NFTs look great. We're going to be able to play the game, utilize these NFTs. You get to own a piece of the game. And that's what crypto is all about, right? NFTs, non-fungible tokens. You can own a specific asset ID number that represents, in this case, a Cornucopias asset. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Check out the Cardano mini course. It will get you up to date with setting up wallets, how to buy NFTs and more. So cheers, everybody. Leave your comments down below.